This is the MageGee Star75 keyboard, which I have bought off Amazon for around £40. It is a 75% keyboard with linear yellow switches. In this video I will show you the unboxing, a detailed sound test and my honest review for using it in a bit. Here is the unboxing. Here is a detailed typing test of me typing with the yellow switches. This keyboard came with red keycaps, and let's put it on and see how it looks. This keyboard also has a knob which can control the volume and mute it. This keyboard has a lot of backlit effects, and here are some of them. In conclusion, the Star75 keyboard is an amazing choice with its linear yellow switches and customizable keycaps, all for a price of £40. I'd recommend this to someone on a budget. If you're here watching until the end, you're a real one, and comment Star75.